Hello everyone. We're going to run through the video that Clint Oram, Chief Marketing Officer of SugarCRM, has put out. It shows the new features in the recently released version 8 of SugarCRM. The big story is that Clint's lost his beard. Okay, so maybe that's not the big story, but hey, the beard did look good, and I'm very sure he lost it for a good reason. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. Version 8 is available for clients hosted with SugarCRM Cloud and for those who have it on site, on premise, and that means everyone can upgrade to this version if you haven't already, and you can enjoy all the new features. Clint in his video does run through the new version and the release cycle. The short story is this: if you're hosting SugarCRM on premise, you get 1 upgrade per year. If you're hosted in the Sugar Cloud, you get 4 suite releases of SugarCRM each year. So what's new in version 8? There are 5 key things, and these are what they are. There is a new data privacy module. There is a new product catalog dashlet. There's a new advanced workflow feature called runtime execution. There's a new UI, and there are drill down charts. The big one is the data privacy module. Europe's getting all excited about the GDPR, as it introduces a whole new raft of things that organisations need to ensure they take care of around the privacy issues of people in their database. SugarCRM is directly addressing this with this new module. Now here in Australia, you might think we don't need to worry about the GDPR. Wrong. If anyone in your database is an EU citizen, you're affected. Let's take a quick listen to Clint as he describes it.
In light of important data privacy regulations going into effect now, and all of the demand coming from consumers for data privacy enforcement, we're pleased to introduce to you today a whole suite of new functionality in the Sugar application and the Sugar platform designed to help your business manage these data privacy requests. Our goal was to make it easy for you to manage incoming data privacy requests from your customers and prospects, and at the same time work in accordance with data privacy regulations. We have a new data privacy module, which provides a central place to view and access data privacy requests from your customers. Like every Sugar module, data privacy is powered by search, filter, inline editing, preview, and more to conveniently navigate data privacy requests, bringing simplicity and efficiency to the life of a data privacy manager. In the data privacy record view, the data privacy manager can review the request details, mark requests as complete, reject requests, conveniently share the data privacy request within or outside the organization via email, and view a searchable audit log of all the changes to that person's record in the Sugar application. This allows you to satisfy customer requests for right to access. In other words, a customer's right to know what information you're storing about them and where that information came from. And with the audit log, data privacy managers now have a complete chronology of all changes made to a given person's record. And we now display opt-out indicators because your Sugar users need to be made aware of those who have not explicitly opted in to email communications. This lets your users know not to contact customers or prospects unless it's reasonable to do so.
The second one is the product catalog dashlet. And yes, I'm excited about this. I may not look it, but I am. But you should see one of our sales guys, Brett. He was over the moon about this. It really does make life easier for him and the other sales staff. Let's take a look at what Clint has to say about the product catalog dashlet.
Introduced in the Winter 18 release, the new product catalog dashlet takes Sugar's configure, price, quote application functionality to a whole new level. Conveniently navigate your product catalog, review product details, and add items to your quote with ease. We're excited to share that the product catalog dashlet is now available throughout Sugar, making it more convenient to explore and discuss your products from anywhere, and even create new pre-populated revenue line items right from an opportunity or account record.
Listen, Clint, I think you're underselling it, mate. Every salesperson using it. that I've spoken with has loved it. And salespeople can be rather fickle creatures, so if they love it, we should shout it from the rooftops. Advanced workflow runtime execution. This is the third thing. What the hell is that? Well, previously in advanced workflow, you could start a workflow after a specified period of time based on the start event. But with this new runtime variable, we can now use dates in a workflow and trigger things at specific times from the action within the workflow, not just the start of the workflow. This may not sound exciting, but as someone who builds workflows to make life easier for client staff, this is actually awesome. I'm super glad that it's in there. This runtime variable is an excellent addition to the advanced workflow toolbox. Big thank you to the dev team and whoever else is responsible for getting it in there. The fourth thing is the new UI, the user interface. Short story, the desktop and the mobile versions are now much more consistent with each other in look and color. That's a great thing. It makes it easier for staff to move between platforms and get more done with less mental overhead. Let's see what Clint says.
UX team has taken a huge leap with the new and improved user interface. This new UI incorporates a new, modern, and more elegant color scheme, making for better legibility and ease of use. The new UI is consistent with Sugar Mobile, making for a much more seamless experience across your devices.
And the fifth thing is the drill-through charts. These are wonderful.
With a continuous focus on making data easily accessible, we've brought you actionable drill-through charts, giving you the ability to explore your data directly from a chart by pulling up a list view of any report segment. To make things even easier, you can make inline edits to your records right from the list view.
It's not just managers that love this. Customer service staff can drill into which cases are at each status. Sales staff can drill into which of their opportunities are at each particular stage of negotiation. And management, of course, they love this as it makes dashboards way more useful to them. Overall, this version is a very solid release. It's definitely a yes, time to upgrade release. It looks great, it's got real, useful features in it. Sugar is going from strength to strength, and I'm looking forward to the next release in a few months. Who knows what sweet goodies are in store for us. Talk soon.
And that brings you the Spring 18 and Sugar 8 releases. I hope you're as excited as I am about all this awesome new functionality.